I have been on a skincare journey for the past 5 weeks, and this journey has made me realize that glowing skin is really about what you do every single day. Today, I'm going to share with you my tips, and I will also like to ask you a question. Have you ever looked at the skin in the mirror first thing in the morning and you're wondering what happened to my skin overnight? One day it is glowing, the next day it looks dull, tired, or suddenly full of breakouts. I have been there, so if you have been there as well, please share your story in the comments. Because sometimes you think the product you are using is the problem, and so you reach out for another product, another scrub, another miracle serum. What if I told you that glowing skin is not about having the most expensive skincare? It is not about being born with perfect genes, and it's definitely not about being flawless. It is about your daily habits, the little things you do or the things you don't even do every single day. Today we're diving into these small practical things that can help you love the skin that you have naturally, gently, and consistently. So let's talk about it. What is glowing skin? Glowing skin is a hydrated skin, even-toned skin, soft-to-touch skin, radiant, healthy, and alive skin. Does your skin have these features? If no, come closer. Let me show you how to achieve this. I am PHARM EBBY, a licensed pharmacist and an advocate for women's health. Subscribe now and like so that other women can benefit from this wealth of information I share every single week. So back to today's topic. Glowing skin is possible for every skin. Even if your skin has acne, scars, hyperpigmentation, glowing skin is very possible for you. And it starts from the inside, and then it is supported on the outside, but it must first begin from the inside. I'm going to give you some habits that you can start doing in order to support your glowing skin from the inside. And the first habit is to start every morning with water. Yes, water. Your skin is 64% water, and every cell in your skin relies on hydration to look plump and fresh. So, every morning when you wake up, start your day with a big glass of water. Do this before coffee, do this before breakfast, just water. In your glass of water, you can add lemon. Lemon is for vitamin C, and lemon is for gentle detox. Or if you don't like lemon, you can add a pinch of sea salt. Sea salt will support minerals in your skin. Or if you don't like any of these two, you can add cucumber or mint. This is for extra glow and taste. Drinking water first thing in the morning will help flush out toxins from your skin. It will also help you stay hydrated and you will look more awake. The second habit is to eat skin-loving foods. Your skin is a reflection of what you eat, and glowing skin loves foods like green vegetables, carrots and sweet potatoes, avocados, fatty fish, berries, water. Yes, water. And don't forget that green tea reduces acne and aging. Pineapple supports digestion, which is also good for the skin. Also note that if you really like to achieve a glowing skin, you have to cut back on your consumption of sugar. Refined sugar is really not good for your skin and it's not good for your health. Also, deep fried foods, you can cut down on those as well. And too much dairy products. If your skin reacts to too much milk or too much dairy products, know that you should cut down on dairy products, because what you eat becomes what your skin shows. Do you know you can actually tell if someone's diet is really good by looking at how their skin is? The third habit is to cleanse your skin every day, but you have to do it gently. Cleansing your face every day is important, but make sure that you do not overdo it. Observe how your skin reacts to your skincare products and make sure you choose products that are perfect for your skin type. How can you cleanse right? Number 1, cleanse twice a day, morning and night. Number 2, use a mild, non-stripping cleanser. a cleanser that does not leave your face dry and tight. Always use a moisturizer. Number 3, wash your skin with lukewarm water and not hot water. Number 4, massage your face gently. Don't scrub it harshly. Your skin is not dirty, it just needs a refresh. So cleansing will help you remove buildup of sweat and oils without damaging your skin barrier. The 4th habit is to moisturize. Even if you're oily, even if your skin is oily, always moisturize, because moisturizers helps to lock in hydration. When you skip moisturizing, your skin may produce more oil to compensate. So always look for a moisturizer that fits your skin type. If you have an oily skin, look for a gel based moisturizer. If you have a dry skin, look for a cream based moisturizer. If you have a normal skin or a combination skin, just look for a lightweight lotion. Apply moisturizer when your face is still slightly damp, just so that you can lock in the hydration. And if your skin feels tight, it needs more water. The 5th habit is for you to never skip sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Sunscreen is your skin's best friend. Even if you are dark skinned, even if it's cloudy outside, even if you are indoors but near a window, make sure you use a sunscreen, because if you don't use sunscreen, UV rays can cause premature aging, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and loss of glow. So use a broad spectrum sunscreen, at least SPF 30. Apply it in the morning and reapply it if you are going to be out for long hours. Let me know your struggles with sunscreens, because there are so many struggles, so much struggles with sunscreens. So let me know in the comment section. Moving on, let's talk about habit 6, which is get beauty sleep. For real, they call it beauty sleep for a reason, because while you sleep, your skin repairs itself, your skin restores hydration, and your skin regenerates new cells. Make sure you sleep for 7 to 9 hours every night. Make sure you dim lights before bed. Make sure you put your phones away 30 minutes before you sleep. You can also try deep breathing or chamomile tea if sleeping is hard. Tired skin is dull skin, so rested skin glows. Okay. The 7th habit is for you to reduce stress. Stress shows on your face. Stress affects your hormones. Your hormones also affect your skin. So when you're constantly stressed, cortisol rises, and high cortisol can lead to acne, redness, skin sensitivity, and dullness. So take 10 to 15 minutes every day to unplug. How can you unplug? You can unplug through deep breathing, listening to calm music, taking a walk, prayer or meditation, even journaling. Take note of these things. These are ways to unplug, to unwind, so that you can get a restful sleep and thus a glowing skin. Because glowing skin starts with a peaceful mind. Habit 8. Change your pillowcase and towels often, because your face touches your pillowcase every night, and your towel, it holds onto moisture, oil, and bacteria. So to keep your skin clear and glowing, make sure you wash your pillowcase every 3 to 5 days. Also, use a clean face towel. Consider a microfiber towel for gentle drying. Habit 9. Keep it simple and stay consistent. One mistake people make is always switching products or using too many products at once. Your skin does not need 10 steps, it just needs consistency. Let me give you a basic routine that I have been using for the past 5 weeks. Okay, so what I do every morning is I use a cleanser on my face. I use because I have been battling acne for a while, so I use a salicylic acid and niacinamide combination cleanser, and the salicylic acid is just 2%. So that's what I use every morning to cleanse my face. Afterwards, I moisturize my face with an aloe vera moisturizer for hydration. And that's it. Then I apply my sunscreen before I step out. That's all for the day. Then at night, I resume my cleanser again, and then I treat my face with an acne cream. There's a cream I use for acne, azelaic acid. I use it for the acne treatment. Afterwards, I use a moisturizer and I move on for the night. So I have done this for 5 weeks now, 5 weeks plus, and I have seen significant changes in my face, in the health of my skin as well. I have also been hydrating, eating right. I have cut down on refined sugars and things like that, and I have been seeing great changes, not just in my face but also in the level of my hormonal balance. So this is something you can also try, and if you need me to guide you personally on your skincare journey, please reach out to me in the comment section or reach out to me privately. Check my description, there is a link there for you to reach out to me privately. Okay, let's continue with our topic for today, which is habit 10. Listen to your skin. Your skin is always speaking to you, and that's the truth. Dryness, breakouts, roughness, these are messages. So instead of fighting your skin, ask, what is my skin trying to tell me? Does it need more hydration? Am I nourishing it with good food? Am I sleeping enough? Am I over exfoliating? Am I using too many products and my skin is confused? The truth is, when you listen to your skin with love, your skin responds. Finally, I just want you to know that glowing skin isn't magic and it requires a lot of patience. So even when you are trying a therapy on your skin, you have to give it time to work and you have to be patient about it. Also, when you adjust your habits, following the 7 habits I have just prescribed to you, make sure that you stay consistent, because small, kind, daily choices are what is going to give you the end result you are looking for, which is a glowing skin. Every glow you admire today on social media started with these habits, and you can build yours as well, one step at a time. So make sure you drink water every day, rest your face, feed your body, and don't forget to smile, because real glow starts from within. So if this video has helped you, share it with someone. Share it with a friend who wants a healthy, happy skin, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness content made for women, made just for you. I am PHARM EBBY. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and glow on.